Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the some popular e-commerce portals and using naptol.com we will simply try to understand how the e-commerce website works. So let us start. Here we have first some popular e-commerce portals, and here one of the most important web portal is Irctc, Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation, and website is www.irctc.co.in. By using this web portal or website, you can buy the tickets, book the reserve the seats for trains, and you can also order for different catering food items in your journey. So this is the website of Indian Railway where you can use this site for buying tickets and catering services. Now next one is hotel and flight ticket reservation website www.makemytrip.com. This is also very important website which is used to book the tickets and hotel, etc. Now next one is Life Insurance Corporation of India. This is a company which is used, this is a corporation which sells the insurance policies, and its website is www.licindia.com. On this website you can see different policies, you can pay the premiums, you can see the details of your plans regarding the insurance. Now next thing, there are some stores, online stores, which is www.amazon.com. This is very famous store from where you can purchase many things. Now next one is online auction, and the website name is www.ebay.in, where auction is done and person bid for the object or the thing. Now online stock trading is one website of this is www.sharekhan.com. This is used for online stock trading. Generally we know this about the stock marketing. So these are some website portals which are used. Now we see the another concept, which is eShopping. eShopping means electronic shopping. It means the shopping that is done digitally or electronically by means of internet online, and this type of the shopping is known as e-shopping. So let us see what has been written here. Today online shopping or e-shopping has gained a momentum because of its bargain and security, and also shopping at the comfort of our house. There are sites that host different products and services from which you can select products and services and buy it using internet banking, credit card or debit card facilities. It means you can do e-shopping by the means of different website online using internet, and you can pay for the good by means of banking services like debit card, credit card, etc. So for the shopping there are various websites. So what are the steps for e-shopping? Let us discuss using taking an example of naptool.com. So here let us see the steps involved in buying online from the online store naptool.com. Here first step is in the address bar of your browser, type the URL www.naptool.com, which will open up the home page of the site. The home page will show you all the products which are hot in the market. This is their marketing strategy. Look at this. When the in the address bar www.naptool.com is typed here, the home page appears. The home page, this is the home page. This is the home page. This home page appears, and here the most important products which are in demand at that time are being sold extensively. You can see these objects here, right? Now here you can see this drop down list. Here when you click on this, you can select many categories of the object. So here what has been written, the second point, from the left hand panel which shows a list of product categories. Select the product which might again show several categories. It means when you select this, when you click on this option, many categories will be shown, and when you click on any special category, it may show another option, but you have to select appropriate one. And after that, here these are the things which are in demand at that time and which are being sold very much. So on the first page of Naptol you can see these objects. Now what is the third point? Here once you click here, this is third point. Once you click on a product, it gives you a big image of the product along with the price. If you like the product and click here to buy bottom, which will take you the shopping cart. It means what? When you click on the product, a big image of the product, image or images of the products are shown with its price, and if you are satisfied you can click on the option click here to buy, which will lead to the shopping cart. Shopping cart is just like the cart which is given to you in the malls, where you can buy the several objects and keep put it in the cart, and after put it or remove it from the cart for collection of the objects you are going to purchase. These cards are used. So these are the digital cards which are used to store the selected objects. So here what has been written, look at this. Shopping cart is graphic representation of supermarket shopping cart on a vendor's website, which serves to keep the list of items the buyer has picked up from the online store. When the buyer is ready to check out, you can go through the list to make a final purchase decision before clicking the buy option. It means when you select all the objects and final checkout, in the final checkout you can delete the object from your list, and after that the next step will be buy, to buy the products and billing for it. So here you can see here when the option has been clicked, the image of the object is being shown here along with the price of the object. Okay, and this, when you click this option click here to buy, you will lead to the page or e-cart. Now next here, fourth point is in the shopping cart it will show you list of all products that you are going to buy along with the price and total. You can change or remove the product as well from the shopping cart. Here you can see this is your shopping cart, and you can here all the objects and their price and total has been given here. You can remove the product from here. Now fifth step is, once you are done with the changes in the shopping cart, you can click proceed to checkout button for payment, or click on continue shopping button to continue shopping. It means here two options are there. For if you want to purchase selected things and stop shopping, you can click on the proceed to checkout, or otherwise if you want to continue your shopping, you can click on the continue shopping. Now this will bring you to the registration form, where you may register as a new user or register using your Facebook or Google user ID. When you are using this naptool.com site first time, then for before buying, it will lead to your registration page where you can register yourself by using user ID or Google ID. After that, this will bring to you the mailing address. When you register yourself successfully, this will bring you to mailing address from where you can type the address where you want the product to be delivered and and click on add a new address button. It means when you are successfully registered, you will be bring to your mailing address where you can type the address where you want that your product should be sent, and you can type your address. And here you can see different modes by which the payments can be done. Here debit card, credit card, net banking, cash over or cash on delivery. There are many options you can use for payment. Here, this is how you can write your address for delivery of the objects or the things. After that, here finally now is the time for the payment, and therefore you need to specify the mode of transaction using your net banking account or debit card account or credit card account, and click here to place order button, which will take you to the bank gateway, and payment will be made in secured manner. It means finally at the last mode you will have to select your payment mode. You can utilize debit card, credit card, net banking, debit card, credit card, and uh, many other things. And after that, for this, click on place order, where you will be on the gateway where you can select the mode of payment, and then here you can see there are many options available. And after that you can pay. Naptol procures the product, packs it, and sends it to the mailing address using some courier service or postal service. When you finally pay for the objects, the naptol.com worker will pack your objects, and the things or the goods will be sent to your address. So this is simple process by which we can do the e-shopping. Now what are the benefits? Now what are the benefits or advantages and disadvantages of e-shopping. We will discuss these things one by one. So here first, advantages or benefits. First benefit of e-shopping is it reduces cost. Since the retailer do not require a showroom involving huge cost, can pass on the benefit to consumer by selling a product at the price lesser than the market rate. It means the seller has not pay on huge showrooms and employees. Therefore, the cost of the product reduces and this benefit goes to the consumers. So this reduces the cost of the object. Now next, increased sale. This e-shopping is done online, therefore the access to the many peoples at any instance is there, therefore due to which sales increases. What has been written here? Since it do not require marketing staff to showcase the products or convenience the consumer, such sites can virtually handle millions of transactions at a particular instance. Now next thing, round the clocks round the clock services allow 24 into 7 services. It means in general when we want to buy something we have to go to market which is open during for some duration, for example from 10 a.m. to 6. But here I'm sorry, but here on e-shopping each and every site is available for 24 hours and all the days of the week. Therefore, there you can order for the things, you can buy the things anywhere, anytime because they are providing 24 into 7 services. Now, next thing, easy to start. If you are going to start an online business or online purchasing or online business, then you can easily start. You have to only connect with the internet and you should have an e-commerce site. Now next thing, help comparisons. The digital middleman model allows consumer to compare product of the same category before buying. It means there is digital middleman which help the consumer to compare many objects very accurately, and this can help the consumer to understand the quality of the object or the thing, and the consumer has much options and better understanding to buy the objects or the goods. Now comfort, it allows shopping at comfort of your home. There is no need to go in the market for buying the things. You can do e-shopping from your home. Only internet and a device like mobile, Android mobile or computer or laptop or a tablet should be there to connect with the internet. Now cashless transaction. Cashless transaction. One benefit is also there. Cashless transaction, you don't need to have much money and you can pay your bills, pay for the goods online by cashless transactions using debit card, credit card, So these are the some benefits. Now, it, in e-shopping, it is not only the advantages, there are some disadvantages also. So let us discuss what are these disadvantages. You need to be very careful when shopping online before purchasing a product from such sites. You need to check for its authenticity. It means you should buy the product from authentic website. There are few fraudulent sites which may get easy access to your user ID and password of your net banking account or debit card or credit card, and your you may have to face a very huge loss because of this hacking. Now, another disadvantage is this may be hacker who might hack into your account and misuse it. It means there are many hackers which try to hack your password and your information about the accounts, and they can misuse these information. Now, since you are buying the product online, the product might not be physically same as seen in the image. This might be dissatisfic. This might lead to dissatisfaction among online shoppers. It means sometimes it may happen that you are watching the image of an object, and when you receive the object or the things, it is somewhat different from the original object you have seen in the image. So this may be different, and this is one of the disadvantage of the online shopping or e-shopping. But here there are in some good sites options to return the object is also there. Since these companies mostly depend upon courier and postal services and are therefore subjected to wear and tear the transit. It means what? These all the things are sent by the courier or postal services. Therefore, there is a fear of wear and tear. So this is also a disadvantage of e-shopping. So this is all about the e-shopping. In the next video, we will discuss about e-ticketing. So read this chapter properly and try to understand the things.